If you want to set two separate wallpapers on lock screen and home screen on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to open settings. We're gonna scroll down in settings in order to find wallpaper. And what you can do is you can, for example, press add new wallpaper or scroll all the way to the right side in order to press this plus button. And in here we can choose the wallpaper that will be used on the lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose something really basic like for example this thing over here. There we go. You can of course change these different, you can choose a different variant over here if you want to, and we can press add in the upper right corner. Now here we can choose customize home screen, and the next thing that you can do is press on photo over here. You can either choose photo, gradient, or color, and in these two cases, color and gradient, you can actually choose your colors that you wish to use. So it's up to you if you prefer to have like a color, single color, or a gradient wallpaper in the home screen. But you can also go to photo and you can choose a wallpaper from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. There we go. We can zoom in and zoom out in order to adjust. Use two fingers in order to change the position. And let's press done in the upper right corner, and then done again in the upper right corner. And now we have set a different lock screen wallpaper and a different home screen wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.